Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Faye B.G, and today I'm going to show you on how to make your laptop or your desktop computer run faster. I know this one works in any types of Windows, so all you have to do is to follow all the instructions given, and I really hope that this one works for you as well. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so first, disable unwanted startup programs. So to do that, you have to go to Task Manager. You have to type Task Manager, and then after that, head in the Startup menu. So in Startup menu, you will see all the running programs. So all you have to do is to choose which one you want to disable or enable. Next is clean disk or optimize drive. So to do that, you have to go to the drive C, right click on it, and click on the properties. So from the properties, at the bottom, you will see this clean up. You can click that. And for the fragment or optimize, you have to go to the tools and click optimize button. Okay, next is deleting unnecessary or temporary files. So to do that, you have to go to run mode, and then you have to type this %sign, temp, %sign again, and then just click OK. So once the window opens, just select all files, then delete them. Next, we have to go to run again, but this time you have to type temp only. So you don't have to include the %sign earlier. So we do exactly the same thing. Once the windows pop up, just copy all the files and delete them. Once again, go to run mode, type prefetch, and click OK. So once the windows pop up, select all the files and delete them all. Next is to reduce runtime service. So to do that, you have to go to the run mode again, type msconfig and click OK. In system configuration, you have to choose services. So from services, check all the box and hide all Microsoft services, then click OK. Okay, next is registry tweaks. So we have to go to the run mode again, type regedit. From registry editor, click H key current user. Then click control panel, mouse hover time, and change it to 10. Then click OK. After that, you have to double click desktop folder, hover to menu show delay, change it to 10, click OK, then restart your PC or your laptop. And finally, for the last one is the visual effects. So we have to go to Start menu, search for the system, and click that Advanced System Settings. So from that, under Advanced, Performance, and then from Performance, under Performance, we have to click the Settings. And then pick Adjust for Best Performance. And then uncheck all the box, apply OK, and then restart your PC or laptop. But before you click apply, I always check this show thumbnails instead of icons, because I want to see my photos exactly what they are in the thumbnails instead of showing icons only. And once you're done, please don't forget to restart your PC or your laptop. So that's all. I hope this video helped. If you have any comments, please comment them down below and I will try to answer all your questions. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!